Are you doing the intro?
Yeah.
Do it.
Yeah. So today we're gonna be doing what is it called? Knife sharpener video review. We're gonna be sharpening these knives right here.
Okay, that's the longest intro ever. Here we go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and got a couple of review videos we're working on today, so stay tuned for more. The first one we're doing is a portable
Knife sharpener.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take it out of the box.
We're gonna be sharpening these two multi-tools.
Yeah, we got two multi-tool knives that we're going to sharpen up.
One's mine, one's my dad's for work.
Oh, okay. Comes with instructions, I would imagine. It even has the instructions on the box.
Yeah.
Which is kind of cool. So, let's see what we got here. Plastic.
Yeah.
Comes with a little brush.
ASMR.
You're special. Now I'm imagining. Bless you.
Bless you.
I'm imagining this is battery operated.
Well, if it's portable, I imagine it's not battery. Actually, probably is.
Oh no! You know what? It's not. It's just manual.
Yeah,
It's manual.
just like you stroke it, probably.
Yeah, back and forth. Yeah. So you could do regular knives in 3 stages. Okay. Then you could do a bread knife, and you could do scissors. Okay. So, according to the instructions, all you got to do is start out in level number 1, step number 1. Place the knife into the sharpening slot, keep the knife in the middle of the slot, and pull the knife along the blade from heel to tip slightly. Alright, so I'm going to try mine first. I got a Gerber here, multi-tool. And I know the knife is pretty dull. I know it's pretty dull. I'll show you. It doesn't even cut through this paper right now. It doesn't even cut through the instructions. So, I'm guessing you put it in here like this. Go like that.
Is it on the right setting?
Yeah, it's on sharpen setting. Sharp one.
Getting sharper?
I don't know.
There we go.
A little bit, yeah. Okay, okay. Hold on.
Keep sharpening.
I thought it was going to be battery operated or something. That's pretty funny. It's manual.
Want I really sharpen to be here all day.
I can't really tell if I'm doing it right.
Did you read it right?
I mean, it is getting sharper.
Maybe you tilt it a little bit.
No, they said to keep it in the middle. Keep it in the middle, then you just push it along.
Wait. Try to
And
go.
then we're going to go level 2.
Try to go like this back and forth instead of doing
Hold
that.
on.
What does 2 do?
Number 2 is daily preparation. Fine prep. Daily fine.
Yeah.
That cleans it up. Oh yeah, you can totally see it. It's definitely a lot sharper.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's do yours. That's pretty sharp. That's pretty neat. Alright, back to number 3.
Can I do it?
Yeah, so what you do is place it in here in the middle, keep it straight, don't go like this, and then just push it like this.
Okay.
Alright, give it a whirl. It's so easy that kids can do it.
So you have to push a little bit.
You gotta give a little bit of oomph. All right, let me see. Yeah, you can see that it's definitely doing something. I wonder if we go backwards. Let me see. Because I don't know if I'm doing it the right way. Hold on. Maybe we're going the wrong way. Maybe.
Yeah, it sounds like it's actually.
Yeah, now it sounds like it's working. I might have been going the wrong way. Might have had it backwards. Hold on 1 second.
Can it make sparks if it gets hot enough?
No, not really. Oh, let me try mine again. Hold on.
Yours looks like a butter knife. Kind of. It doesn't really look like.
Oh yeah, I think we were going the wrong way, folks. So I think you gotta
Backwards it.
pull backwards. Maybe did I read that? Let me read it.
You cut
Let's see here. Place the knife in the middle of the slot and pull the knife along the blade from heel to tip. So was I doing that, or was I going the other way?
You were going-
Heel to tip. Oh yeah, I was going backwards, I guess, because I was going like this. Heel to tip. I'm a spaz. Don't mind me. Oh my God! Yeah, look. You can see it. You can see. Watch, like butter. Now watch.
Alright, let me try.
All right, go ahead. Oh yeah, you can see little metal flakes on my finger.
Yeah.
All right, now here, go get your stick. My son's carving a spear out of a stick, and that's why we needed to sharpen his. Let's see here, real quick.
I've been trying to work on this every
He's been
day,
carving this.
now and then.
Let's see how much sharper it is now. Oh yeah, you can totally tell a difference. Okay, but let's not do that on the table. I don't want to scratch my table up. Okay, but so anyway, the thing is...
Wait, can I like clean it and like do it?
Yeah, go ahead. I'll finish up the video. So check it out, folks. I thought it was going to be battery operated like the other one we did, but it's manual. And this is great because it works, number one. Let me see if I can show you. Thing is this, it does work, and it's great like if you're out camping or something or hunting. Wow, yeah, because that's a lot sharper than it
Can I
was.
try?
And I guess the more you do, sharper it'll get. So with that being said, folks, thanks for watching this video. The link for this item will be in the description box below. Do you have anything else to say?
Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications.
There you go.
Make sure you subscribe and like. Peace out.
Anyway, yeah, so comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have one of these. I figured it out halfway through the video how to sharpen it. Well, that looks sharp. Look at that. You can see it.
Yeah,
but anyway,
mine's-
Check it out. Link in the description box. We're out of here. Boom!